Laser cutting machine cutting head structure and function. The main function of the cutting head is to focus the laser beam transmitted by the laser into a focal point for cutting. The optical path in the cutting head is composed of multiple lenses. The first is the upper protection and the lower protection. Mainly protect the collimator and focusing mirror to prevent dust and debris from entering the laser. And transmitting laser. Collimator amplifies laser light into parallel light. The focusing lens focuses the laser energy to form a focal point, which is where the energy is most concentrated. The external gas interface allows gas cutting to play a role in slag removal, combustion support, and protection. Ceramic ring is used for inductive transmission of data and protection. The function of the nozzle is to prevent the magazine from rebounding upwards and to control the size of the gas diffusion area.